The Yangtze River Delta, one of China's most economically vibrant regions, has set its sights on taking the lead in promoting common prosperity with regional cooperation and own initiatives within its 4 provincial-level regions. The delta, encompassing the provinces of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, Anhui, and Shanghai municipality, generates nearly a quarter of China's gross domestic product, with just 4% of its land area. In 2023, China called on the Delta to take the leading position in promoting common prosperity, aiming to create a future in which prosperity is shared by everyone in the country. The Delta has strengthened industrial chain collaboration as it continues to promote high-quality integrated development to make a bigger pie for common prosperity. As a major new energy vehicle production base, it produces 2 out of every 5 new energy vehicles in China.
我们在安徽合肥完成新能源汽车的设计和生产制造，在上海进行智能驾驶的开发与验证，在浙江进行智能驻仓的开发与生产，在江苏出海走向国际，在长三角地区通过产业集群协同发展，已经逐步形成了新能源汽车的完整产业链。
The rapid growth of high-tech industrial clusters has driven robust economic growth in the Yangtze River Delta. From 2018 to 2023, the region's GDP has risen to 30.51 trillion yuan from 22.1 trillion yuan.